Hey y'all, today I'll be installing this curly human hair wig I got from a hair company on Amazon, Klaiyi Hair. So if you're interested in watching, go ahead and stay tuned.
Me I beg you, woman, me guide them father. Make me see the haters a come more. Please guide me, Jehovah. Father, protect your soul. Can't stop me, come me heart to clean.
Hey y'all, and welcome to Styles by Honey. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button and don't forget to tap that bell so you don't miss any notifications. And if you're a returning subscriber, you already know you lit. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be installing this short curly human hair wig that I got from Klaiyi Hair, an Amazon hair company. It's listed as their Klaiyi short curly human hair wigs, lace front wigs, Brazilian water wave brimmy hair, machine made wigs with cat replacement for black women, 8-inch in the color natural black. I did do an unboxing for this wig already, so there's a card for it up at the top of the screen, and I'll put some links for it in the description box below. But basically, I wanted to go ahead and get on here and let y'all know how I felt about this wig now that I actually put it on my head. Now, the cat size that they said on Amazon was average size, but this wig was a little bit tight on my head. I probably wouldn't recommend it for big head people. Another thing that I couldn't really get with is trying to find this part. Like, I'm not used to these style wigs with this one little piece of lace to make it part. So I had a hard time trying to find it, and eventually I just gave up. It was like, yeah, let me just do a comb over or whatever. I did already bleach the knots. I didn't use any makeup on the lace. I didn't use any glue. I used Got to Be spray. As far as the baby hairs, I didn't pluck any baby hairs, and I didn't pluck the hairline at all. Because there's a small piece of lace in the front, I didn't want to wear the wig out too fast. I just cut a few baby hairs and I laid it with this new Slick and Slay gel that I got from Sheisbombcollection. I will put all of the products that I use in the description box below. This wig would be good for people who don't wear baby hairs and, you know, people who, you know, like the natural look. This is more of a natural looking wig.
On the track.
And this is the finished look. So yeah, that wraps up this video. If you liked it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you didn't like it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up anyway. Big shout out to Klaiyi Hair on Amazon for sending me this wig. And a big shout out to you for supporting Styles by Honey. I love you so much. Mwah.